Dr. Sanjay Gupta gelatin recipe. What are the ingredients? Does it work? Can it help you lose weight? Give me 2 minutes. I'll show you what actually happens. Videos like this are everywhere. Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. Each one has somebody claiming a secret gelatin recipe melted all their fat. The setup is simple. Simple ingredients. In your kitchen, easy to repeat. The promise, rapid weight loss in days, no side effects. Almost no cost. Works like magic. Right, then comes the hook. Click the link, go to the next page. That's where we reveal the secret. So I clicked. That takes us to bodyburnsource.com. The page is styled like a medical article. Big health banner at the top. Then, author, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, updated 30 minutes ago. In that video, Dr. Sanjay Gupta says the gelatin recipes online are nonsense. He says they're missing one key ingredient, so they don't work. He calls out other versions, the Dr. Oz one, the Dr. Jennifer Ashton one. Now let's look at the rest of the page. There are logos from major outlets. The New York Times, CBS, ABC, Fox, CNN. Click them. Nothing. They're not links, just images. There to make the page look trustworthy. Below that is a comment section. A bunch of people saying this changed their lives. But here's the thing. None of it works. Not the profile icon, not the reply button, not the like button, because it's fake. Just a static block of reviews. The video adds more testimonials, regular people, celebrities. Everybody says it works. It feels like the recipe reveal is next. So I watched the whole thing. Here's what happens. The recipe is never revealed. Instead, when the video ends, a hidden section opens on the page. That's where the pitch changes. Now the page is selling a supplement, in this case, Jelly Burn. Then the offer page appears. 2 bottles, 3 bottles, 6 bottles. Best value, most popular, discounts, countdown timers. There's also a 100% guarantee badge and more seals. Click those two, nothing, no certificate, no proof. There's even an FDA approved badge. That's a problem. The FDA does not approve supplements like that. It does not hand out badges like that, and it does not guarantee results. Keep scrolling, and there's another wall of reviews, 5 stars, before and after photos. Everybody's thrilled, nobody complains. Lower on the page, there's even a short bio for Dr. Sanjay Gupta, written to make it look like he recommends Jelly Burn. So I clicked through like I was going to buy it. That leads to another site where they want personal details and a card number. At the top, more badges. GMP, FDA registered, made in USA. GMO free, just graphics. Nothing links anywhere. More ratings. Of course, 5 stars again, and then the pressure tactics. 15 people are viewing this page right now. Then another score, 9.3 out of 10. 36,000 plus happy customers. Again, no source, no link, nothing to check. Further down, there are photos of buyers holding Jelly Burn bottles, smiling, but those images look off. My impression, AI generated or heavily manipulated. Now the domain. The site is bodyburnsource.com. According to Whois, it was created weeks ago, and the owner details are hidden behind a privacy service. For a site supposedly run by a famous doctor and a major health outlet, that's a huge red flag. Now go back to all those glowing reviews. Landing page, video page, checkout page, everybody's happy, 5 stars, thousands of customers, no real complaints. So I checked an independent source, Trustpilot. Almost all the reviews are 1 star. People say the supplement doesn't work. They say they were charged more than expected. They say refunds are a nightmare. One reviewer said their bank flagged the charge as fraud and blocked it. Lucky them, no refund battle, no card replacement. Now, Dr. Sanjay Gupta. His face is in the video. So what's going on here? Simple. The video is a deep fake. They stitched it together from real clips of him, revoiced it, and laid fake audio over his face. There is no recipe, no ingredient list, no steps. It's one long funnel leading to Jelly Burn. Watch the ending. The video fades out, and instead of any recipe, the video starts recommending Jelly Burn. The product is framed as something Dr. Sanjay Gupta recommends. That is false. He has nothing to do with this. In fact, he has publicly warned that scam sites are using AI deepfakes of him to sell shady supplements and miracle cures. He has said clearly he is not connected to these products and does not endorse them. So the conclusion is simple. The so-called Dr. Sanjay Gupta gelatin recipe does not exist. If you see this ad or anything like it, now you know exactly what's happening.